Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. This is the third video of our exciting series Build Your Own Virtual Assistant, and today in this video we can be making our virtual assistant to listen us. So this is going to be a main step while creating your own virtual assistant. So yeah, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Okay, so this was the code that we have done previously, and in the previous video we have made our virtual assistant to speak something in a realistic way. Okay, so now we're going to make it to listen us. To do that, we're going to use a module called speak recognition, which is used to recognize speech. Import speak recognition is SR, so that we don't have to write speak recognition everywhere. Just we need to write yes sir, then it's going to understand that we are telling speak recognizer. Now let us create a function which is going to take command from the user. Def. Okay, so after that let's write r equals sr dot recognizer, which is a function. Okay, so let me tell you what does this line mean. This line creates an instance of the recognizer class from the speak recognition library. The recognizer class is used for recognizing speech. Okay, after that we will write with sr dot microphone, which is a function. We're going to take the microphone as a source, so we'll write as source, and inside this, okay, so let me tell you what does this line means. This setups the microphone as the audio source for the speech input. It's using a context manager with statement to ensure that the microphone is properly opened or closed. Okay, after that, now when the program comes in this line, then it is listening to us. It means our script is working. So while our script is working, I want it to say or tell the user that I'm listening to you. So let me write print listening. After that, we're going to write r dot pause threshold equals 1. Let me explain you what does this line mean. This sets the pause threshold for the recognition. It defines the maximum silence duration in second that is considered the end of a speech input. In this case, it is set to 1 second. Okay, after that we're going to create a, we're going to store our source, like our data, inside a variable. So let us create a variable audio equals what we're going to do is just store the source. So we will write listen okay. So here we have stored the thing that is being listened by our microphone. It means like the thing that we talk is stored inside this audio variable. Now what we need to do is we need to recognize the audio variable into English language. So to do that, let us set up a try and accept block. Okay, inside the try block, we're going to use Google, like a type of API, Google API, to recognize our voice. So whenever it finish this line of code and go towards this try block, then I want to tell the user that it is recognizing. So let me print recognizing, and after that here let me create a variable query equals and sr dot wait r dot recognize Google, which is a type of API of a Google which is used to recognize the source. So where our data is stored, it is stored inside this audio variable. So we'll write audio, in what's the language? The language is English. So let me write a here in US, and then let us go towards the accept block. Accept exception is E, then we want print the E. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let us print the E, and then we want to return an empty string. I think we don't need to print this E, we just need to pass the empty string for further process, or you can just print it. Okay, so after that, let us go outside the accept block and return that query. Okay, now I think we are good to go. Okay, so let us call this function query equals take command, and then we need to print the query, and let me run it.
Hello, I'm your virtual assistant. How can I assist you today?
Hello, how are you? Okay, then you can see it's just now our virtual assistant is listening to us. Okay, so now let us set up a quick if else statement to make our virtual assistant to work. So let me comment it out at first. Okay, so let us create a endless loop while true, and here we will create a variable query equals take command function, and we want it to print the query, and then let's set up by if else statement. So if hello in query, then we want it to speak hi, how are you, and if I'm fine in query, then we want it to speak that's yet to hear, and else we want it to speak out I don't understand, and let me run. Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
I don't understand.
I'm fine.
I don't understand.
Okay, so there's the error, like it is taking capital I. So what I'm going to do is just make the query to lower, and then let me write everything over here in lowercase so that it's going to work.
I don't understand.
And I need to close and reopen it. I'm fine. What query.lower, which is a function? No, I'm fine.
That's great to hear.
Okay, so now you can see it's working properly. Now likewise you can add more, or you can add like this also, or hi in query, then whenever I run and say hi,
I don't understand.
hi,
I don't understand.
okay, so let me write instead of hi, hey, hey Jarvis,
Hi, how are you?
hello Jarvis,
Hi, how are you?
Okay, so you can see it's working. Likewise, you can add more condition over here and make it more responsive. And in the next video we're going to do something more crazy, so just wait for the next video. And next video is going to come. I'll try to make it fast. So yeah, that's all for the today's video, and I'll catch you in the next video. See you there.